Hey guys, William here. Just wanted to give you an update of what's been going on. I know I've not posted any videos lately, but I've started a new YouTube channel to um, go along with my new website. As you see up here in the top left, our new website is Shadowtronics. It's a blog website. We're going to be doing some programming, some DIY electronics, and life hacks, and just a little bit of everything. So to go along with the new website, I also created a new YouTube channel. It's you'll see it up here. I'll put a link to it down below. I asked that if everyone who is a subscriber on my personal page here to please click the link and subscribe and turn the bell on for notifications on the new channel. The new channel will be a little more organized. It'll have playlists for like how-to videos and project specific folders. And also, I wanted to give a shout out to my friend Mr Carrington. He does an awesome thing he live streams over here on YouTube and mixer.com/Carrington TV, where he cold reads books. And it's like a live audio book. It's a really cool thing he does. I'll put a link to his site in the description, and I'll put a little card will appear up here somewhere here. Also, I will be doing some live streaming. We're going to be using mixer.com. Our address for that is mixer.com/shadow towing. I will put a link also to that in the description. And hope you guys will come and visit us. I will be uploading the streams from there into YouTube. May even do some restreaming, do some YouTube live streaming once I get comfortable with doing the Mixer streaming. But it's a really cool service. Again, check out my friend Mr Carrington and his cold reads of audiobooks. Really, really good. He's doing one right now called Death World during the week. He reads 5 nights a week, and then on Sunday, we do short story Sundays, which is really good. Today is, coming up on the end of Sunday here. We did some Edgar Allan Poe and some Philip, I forgot his last name. Philip King, I think it is. Philip K. Dick, sorry. Called The Defenders. It was a really good thing. But, please come over to our new YouTube channel, like, subscribe, leave a comment, let us know how we're doing, and we'll have some new project videos coming up really, really soon. Probably going to try to do at least one a week, maybe two or three a week, just as my schedule allows. And we're going to have special guests. I'm hoping to have, like I said, Mr. Stephen Carrington on. I'm also going to have a young guy from my partner, Paul Palmier from Australia. You know, I forgot what town he lives in now. Talbingo, Australia. I had to think about it there. But yeah, just it says I have 35 subscribers on my personal YouTube channel. If I can get you guys to come over and like the new channel and share it, we can get the word out and get some good things going on. And I apologize for the videos. You know, if they seem a little not professional. You know, I'm still new to this and getting everything set up. So come grow with us and hopefully learn something. Just a heads up, our first little video over there is going to be, I'm going to be doing designing printed circuit boards. I've got a little project going that you can check out over there for, it's basically a DIY and customized for you weather station to put outside, and transmits all the data wirelessly back to a display. More on that over at the channel and over at the website, shadowtronics.org. That's about all for this video. Like I said, please come over to the new channel and like and subscribe and hit that bell for the notification. And like I said, come visit us on Mixer. It's mixer.com/shadow towing. All the links will be in the description. And check out my friend Stephen Carrington at mixer.com/Carrington TV. Thanks and have a blessed day.